Hello, good morning. Let's discuss today the continuation of our discussion on communication. So today we'll be discussing written communication. First, we'll discuss written communication important and effective written communication. Effective written communication in different uh, environments. No? So let's talk about written communication. Okay, so important reasons include number one, it provides record of the message, decision, and actions. That's the written communication. Written communication creates a permanent record of interactions because it will be filed in the record. This is the vital. This is vital for accountability, reference, and legal compliance. For example, when you take a loan, so it will be recorded, and then the payment is recorded. Example meeting minutes that summarize decisions and actions agreed upon during corporate board meeting. Application in a business contracts, emails, and reports serve as documentation to prevent disputes and support continuity in case of personnel changes. Another thing is, one reason is provides greater clarity to large audience. Explanation. Written communication allows for careful structuring of complex ideas, helping large groups understand the message uniformly. Example, company-wide memo explain changes to employee benefits or new safety protocols. So, application in the educational institution use syllabi to communicate expectation clearly to students, business, or newsletters. Announcement for clear mass communication. Another reason is the receiver have more time to take in the information. Explanation written message can be reviewed multiple times, allowing readers to process and constant and understand complex content at their own pace. Example, instructions manuals that explain how to use a device or software. Application in healthcare, patients receive written information about medication or treatment plans to ensure full understanding outside the clinic. Another reason can reduce the need for question. So, explanation when written communication is clear and comprehensive, it anticipates and answer potential questions, reducing the need for further clarification. For example, frequently asked questions based on websites that address common customer questions or queries. So it is written. Application project management, detailed written project plans help align team and reduce repetitive inquiries. So let's talk about effective written communications for different requirements. Example one-to-many communication. Effective one-to-many communication involves crafting message are clear, consistent, and accessible to a broad audience. Example, company-wide emails or public announcement. Applications of one-to-many used in organizational settings to inform all staff about policy changes or in public communication such as government notices. Effective written communications for different requirements, for example, reports to a board directors. So, written reports must be concise, informative, and supported by data, enabling strategic decision making. So, this is example research. Quarterly financial performance summaries or strategic proposal. application used in corporate governance, ensure transparency and accountability. Another thing is producing accounts. So financial documentation must be precise and compliant with legal standards. Example, annual financial statement or tax documents. So application used in finance teams for audits, compliance, and stakeholder reporting. Another example is another showing a system. Script writing visual aids, flowcharts, help explain system functionality clearly. For example, user manual, no? When you buy equipment, example using IT and engineering fields to ensure accurate understanding of system design and operations. Also in marketing literatures, persuasive and engaging writing aimed at capturing attention and motivating action to buy. Brochures, advertisement, or product descriptions. Application used in marketing teams to promote products, build brand awareness, and drive sales. So those are our discussions today. No? We accomplished two things. Written communication important reason, and another thing is effective written communications for different requirements. So we'll continue next session for another episode. Thank you for having with me.